Still paying monthly for web hosting? What if you could host your website for life with one single payment? Hey everyone! If you run a website, blog, online store, or client projects, this deal is something you should not ignore. Today, I'm sharing the HostVerge Lifetime Web Hosting Deal, now available on Stack Social. HostVerge is a premium web hosting platform designed for entrepreneurs, agencies, bloggers, and small businesses. And the best part? No monthly fees, no yearly renewals. Just pay once. Use it forever. Here's what you get with HostVerge: unlimited SSD storage and bandwidth. Host multiple websites on one plan. Free SSL certificates for security. Free CDN for faster loading worldwide. One-click WordPress installation, daily automatic backups, US-based high-speed servers, 24/7 customer support. Your website loads fast, stays secure, and runs smoothly. Speed and security. HostVerge uses 100% SSD storage, NGINX cache, and HTTP2 DDoS protection, malware scanning, web application firewall, PCI compliance, and 2FA. So your site is protected 24/7. Who is this for? This deal is perfect for bloggers, freelancers, agencies, small businesses, affiliate marketers, anyone tired of monthly hosting bills. Normally, hosting costs $149 or more every year. But with this deal, you can get lifetime hosting starting at just $49. Yes, one payment. Lifetime access, real user feedback, users on Stack Social rate, HostVerge 4.6 out of 5 stars. People love the speed, easy WordPress setup, and responsive support. Limited deal warning. This lifetime deal is for new users only. Limited availability. Once it's gone, it's gone. If you want fast, secure, lifetime web hosting without recurring fees, click the link in the description. Grab the HostVerge Lifetime Deal on Stack Social. Start hosting your websites forever. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next deal review.